Alright, I'm continuing drawing 10.3, the base assembly. I've brought in the bolt and the nut from the design center, and now I can continue to draw some additional parts used in this assembly. I think I'll start with some of the easier parts. The washer is pretty simple. It's basically just a couple concentric circles. So it has an outside diameter of 1.25 and an inside diameter of, it says 0.62, but I believe that should be 0.625. Oh, where did it go? I think I forgot to hit D for diameter, so let's try that again. D, 0.625. Now the side view will be easy to make using the front view. Doesn't look like I've got my quadrant object snap turned on. Let's turn that on. I can snap to the top quadrant and draw a line straight over. Draw another one straight over. And I'll make a rectangle that is 0.125 inches wide by 0.625 tall. Oh, not 0.625, 1.25. No matter. I'll just stretch that up. And now it's the correct size. Delete those construction lines. I can draw a line straight over from there, straight over here. So you see that aligning the two views in a multi-view drawing not only helps you read it, it helps you create it, it helps you draw it as well. So alignment is critical. Alright, there's my washer. Next I'll go on to the spacer. That's another fairly easy thing to draw. It's got an outside diameter of 4.5, an inside diameter of 2.06, and I'll draw a construction line down here to align it. I'll draw a rectangle that is 4.5 wide by 1.5 tall. Okay, now in the top view here, I need to place some center lines. Let's see, the overall diameter is 4.5. Let's make a line that is 5 units wide, 5 inches, and then move it into place like that. And then maybe I'll do a rotate, copy, 90 degrees, like that. Now I've got a bolt circle here. There's 4 holes drilled into this spacer. The bolt circle has a diameter of 3.5. D, enter, 3.5. The through holes have a diameter of 0.5. And I could do an array, but I think I'm just going to copy. With only 4 items, it's just as easy to do a copy as it would be for an array. And again, I'm going to use my top view to help make the section view. by snapping to these quadrants and just drawing a perfectly vertical line. Because my views are aligned, makes it a lot easier. Okay, and I'm just stretching these lines down, like so. Let's add a hatch. Now, I like to put hatch on a separate layer. There's no rule about the size of your hatch. It doesn't necessarily have to be any one particular size, but it is a good idea just to kind of eyeball it and see, does that look about right? That looks a little small to me. The scale right now is 1, so I think I'll make that 2. There, the spacing of those hatch lines look a little better, so I'll close that. And now I'll draw some center line. So I'm still on my hatch layer, so let's get back to center. Draw a center line straight down here. Turn this back to center. Stretch this down to there. And this down to here. Now I don't really like center lines that end right on the visible object line. They should extend out beyond. So maybe I'll stretch it out 1/4 of an inch. And then, of course, we have the one going through the center of the spacer. And that's good. I think I'll end this video here and resume with the next one.